Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blend photo edges using Canva. So first, to be able to begin, just head on to Canva's editor first, and then right after, just upload the photo that you want to blend. So for example, we're going to go ahead and use this photo to blend. So this one, the yellow photo. So let's fit this one here or make this one bigger. And then let's just try to change the background first, the same color with the photo, so that it would be easier for us to do the blend. And let's try to go ahead and edit the image and remove its background. And since we have successfully removed the background for that, so as you can see, it just simply cut in here onto the bottom. Now to go ahead and blend the photo edges for this one, let's search gradient here onto elements. And let's click onto graphics. And let's try to choose this one. So as you can see, this one is color white. Let's add this one over in here. And then let's try to change the photo color the same with the background in here, just like that. Now what we need to do, let's copy that one out and then let's paste it or duplicate as many times so that it should go ahead and blend the photo just like this. So as you can see, it has blended it, and that is just basically it how you blend a photo edge using Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.